Welcome to the section 3, the Lightning components. Till now, we are successful with development of Lightning pages using the Lightning app builder, which is point and click, drag and drop tool. Here, we are stepping ahead with programming part. So let's have Lightning components. In this section, we are going to take a look at creating the Lightning components, using them in the Lightning pages, configuring the Lightning components for using in the Lightning pages, as well as where to search and install App Exchange components, as well as preparing the Lightning components for the App Exchange. Let's start with creating a custom Lightning component. In this video, let's create one custom component. We do develop these Lightning components in the inbuilt IDE, that is developer console. Also, we will observe the basic techniques, the key techniques of Lightning component development. Developer console. We have developed, tested, debugged the Apex logic, as well as we have developed the Salesforce pages with the inbuilt integrated development environment. The same developer console we are going to use for developing the Lightning components. The Lightning framework is JavaScript based user interface component framework. Component based means reusable components are there like Salesforce. Coming to Lightning framework, which is of JavaScript based, so it is very much case sensitive. Unlike Salesforce framework is case insensitive. Coming to the Lightning framework, which is case sensitive. Here hello world, which is H lowercase, W uppercase, and here hello world initial uppercase. Both are same on Salesforce framework. Coming to the Lightning framework, this is different. Hello world, which is initial lowercase, and hello world, which is initial uppercase. Both are different because Lightning framework is case sensitive. Then coming to the naming convention, we also follow the same camel case naming convention in JavaScript based this Lightning framework as well. Wherever is needed, we follow the commenting patterns. For markup, we follow HTML style of commenting. For controllers, anyhow, I am not discussing controllers, which is advanced part. If we want to comment any logic in the controllers, we use programming language // for single line, /* and // for multiple line commenting.